हरे कृष्णा। स्वस्थ शरीर के लिए मन का निरोग रहना आवश्यक है। मंत्र मानसिक विकारों की मनोचिकित्सा है। यह मन को समेटकर प्रभु की ओर प्रवाहित करता है, जिससे शारीरिक मानसिक समस्त दुखों से सदा सदा के लिए छुटकारा मिल जाता है। हिंदू धर्म में मंत्र जपने का बहुत महत्व है। मन को एक तंत्र में लाना ही मंत्र होता है। कहते हैं मनः त्रायते इति मंत्रः, अर्थात जो मन की रक्षा करे वह मंत्र है। यदि आपके मन में एक साथ कई विचार चल रहे हैं तो उन सभी को समाप्त करके मात्र एक विचार को स्थापित करना ही मंत्र का लक्ष्य होता है। अतः मंत्र एक योग, एक ध्यान के समान है। जिस प्रकार शरीर को नित्य नहाकर साफ करते हैं और घर की सफाई भी रोज करते हैं, उसी प्रकार मन पर भी नित्य वातावरण में उड़ती फिरती दुष्प्रवृत्तियों की छाप पड़ती है और उस मलिनता को धोने के लिए नित्य जप उपासना करनी आवश्यक है। इस प्रकार ये मंत्र जप हमारे मन की मलिनता को धोकर शुद्ध कर उसे भगवान के निवास करने योग्य बनाते हैं। यूं तो मंत्र अनेक प्रकार के हैं, परंतु सभी वेदों के सार श्रीमद् भागवतम में हरि नाम को ही इस कलयुग का युग धर्म बताया गया है। युग धर्म अर्थात जिसका पालन करने से व्यक्ति को मोक्ष या परम लक्ष्य प्राप्त होता है। बृहद नारदीय पुराण के अनुसार हरेर नाम एव केवलम कलौ नास्तेव 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 गतिरन्यथा, अर्थात कलयुग में भगवत प्राप्ति के लिए हरि नाम के अलावा दूसरा कोई उपाय नहीं है। कली संतरण उपनिषद के अनुसार कलयुग में प्रस्तावित वह मंत्र है हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। 16 नामों वाले महामंत्र का कीर्तन ही कलयुग में कल्मश का नाश करने में सक्षम है। वह इस सात्विक साधना के लिए तुलसी या चंदन की माला लेनी चाहिए। जब जितना किया जा सके उतना अच्छा है, परंतु कम से कम एक माला अर्थात 108 मंत्र नित्य जपने ही चाहिए। अन्यत्र कहा भी गया है कि कलयुग केवल नाम आधारा, सुमिर सुमिर नर उतरहि पारा। इसलिए जितना अधिक जप कर सके उतना अच्छा है। एकांत में जप करते समय माला को खुले रूप में रख सकते हैं, परंतु जहां बहुत से व्यक्तियों की दृष्टि पड़े वहां गोमुख अर्थात माला की झोली में माला को डाल लेना चाहिए। ब्रह्म मुहूर्त जप आदि के लिए श्रेष्ठ समय होता है। हम शाम को भी जप कर सकते हैं। और कई बार लोग कहते हैं कि हम तो मन में ही जप करते हैं, परंतु कलयुग में माला पर नाम जप को ही महत्ता दी गई है, प्रभावी बतलाया गया है। माला पर जप करने से हमें प्रतिदिन निश्चित संख्या में नाम जप करना होता है। इससे एक तरफ तो भगवान नाम स्मरण की हमारी आदत बन जाती है और कुछ समय बाद निश्चित संख्या से अधिक जाप करने की हमारी इच्छा होती है और हम उसमें सक्षम भी होते हैं। कुछ लोगों में यह धारणा भी होती है कि हम तो भक्त हैं और हम तो मन में ही जप करते हैं, पर हमें हमारे आचार्यों से उनके उदाहरण से सीखना चाहिए कि जैसे श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु के अनुयायी श्री हरिदास ठाकुर जो नामाचार्य के नाम से जाने जाते हैं, वे दिन में कई घंटे जप करते थे और वो भी माला पर। और माला पर जप करने से हमारी एकाग्रता भी बढ़ती है। और यदि और भी सरल रूप में समझें तो जैसे हम भोजन मन में नहीं करते या किसी के साथ प्रेम का आदान प्रदान मन में नहीं कर सकते, उसी प्रकार नाम का उच्चारण करके तथा निश्चित संख्या में माला पर जप करके हम अपनी शरणागति भगवान को प्रदर्शित करते हैं। जब साधना का एकमात्र उद्देश्य भगवान व भक्त के बीच प्रगाढ़ संबंध स्थापित करना है। जिस प्रकार हम किसी व्यक्ति के जितना संपर्क में रहते हैं, उससे जितना बात करते हैं, जितना फोन और मैसेजेस करते हैं, उतना ही हमारा और उसका संबंध गहरा होता है। ठीक उसी प्रकार भगवान नाम का जप करने से हमारी आत्मीयता बढ़ती है और हम ईश्वर के निकट और भी अधिक निकट होते चले जाते हैं। और यही जब सभी लोग एक साथ मिलकर करते हैं तो उसे संकीर्तन यज्ञ कहते हैं। और भगवत गीता में भगवान ने कहा है कि यज्ञा नाम जप यज्ञोस्मि, अर्थात समस्त यज्ञों में हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। इसका जप कृष्ण का सर्वाधिक शुद्ध रूप है और इस मंत्र का जप करते हुए हम भगवान को धन्यवाद देते हैं और उनके प्रति कृतज्ञता प्रकट करते हैं कि उन्होंने हमें जन्म मृत्यु के भवबंधन से मुक्त होने का इतना सरल व प्रभावी साधन प्रदान किया। धन्यवाद। हरे कृष्ण।
ऑलराइट, तो किसी का प्रश्न है तो पूछ सकते हैं, नहीं तो हम माला करेंगे। Does anyone have any question? तो प्रश्न है किसी का? नहीं ना? ओके, टेक आउट योर chanting beads. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण। तो आप सबका चैंटिंग ठीक चल रहा है? एवरीवन इज चैंटिंग नाइसली। ये चित्रा माता जी सिद्धार्थ प्रभु का है? यस, प्रफुल्ल प्रभु। हरे कृष्ण। कैन यू हियर मी? हरे कृष्ण। यस प्रभु जी। हरे कृष्ण।
4 rounds daily.
वेरी गुड। माता जी आपका आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रहा, तो आप अलग से बात करता हूँ।
नेटवर्क पूरा नहीं आ रहा है।
हाँ कोई बात तो आप म्यूट रखिए अपना। रुचि माता जी आपकी तबीयत कैसी है? यू नॉट वेल? हरे कृष्ण।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण माता जी।
बेटर है प्रभु जी।
क्या हो गया आपको?
फीवर आया था, बस उसके बाद वॉमिटिंग वगैरह मुझे हो जाती है फीवर में, तो उससे बहुत वीकनेस आ गई है।
नॉर्मल फीवर है ना?
अच्छा,
ओके,
नॉर्मल फीवर।
ध्यान रखिए आप। ओके, दिलीप प्रभु जी। हरे कृष्ण। आज नेटवर्क थोड़ा वीक लग रहा है सर। मेरा नेटवर्क का प्रॉब्लम है या यहाँ तो नेटवर्क ठीक है? सुनाई दे रहा है आपको सबको? कैन यू ऑल हियर मी? ओके, somehow I am facing problem. शिवानी माता जी, how are you?
ठीक है प्रभु जी।
आपका जब ठीक चल रहा है?
ठीक।
कितना माला करते हैं अभी?
प्रभु जी 3 से 4 माला।
अच्छा, काशी में बढ़ाया नहीं आपने?
कोशिश है बढ़ाने।
हाँ, प्रयास करते रहिए। वेरी गुड। पवन प्रभु जी आप कर रहे हैं जब? कर रहे हैं प्रभु जी?
जी प्रभु जी।
बहुत अच्छा।
एक माला ले ली।
थोड़ा बढ़ाइए। सुनील प्रभु आप पूछते नहीं प्रभु को, लगता है आप ध्यान नहीं रखते पवन प्रभु का है? ओके, तो यदि हम ये नियम बना के चलेंगे कि हर एकादशी पे बढ़ाएंगे तो हम बहुत अच्छी प्रगति करेंगे। वी विल मेक नाइस प्रोग्रेस। ओके, अदरवाइज माइट फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट लेटर ऑन। ओके, कृष्णा प्रभु आप भी स्टार्ट कीजिए। मयंक प्रभु आर यू देयर? मयंक प्रभु।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
कीप योर वीडियो ऑन।
यस प्रभु जी।
आर यू चैंटिंग एवरी डे?
प्रभु जी एक्चुअली माला नहीं है मेरे पास, तो मैं ऐसे ही मतलब चैंटिंग करता हूँ।
आप जब माला मुझे एड्रेस भेजिए, माला भिजवा देंगे, ठीक है? और
ठीक है प्रभु जी। ओके
आप उंगली पे कीजिए ऐसे, काउंट 108 टाइम्स।
जी प्रभु जी।
हाँ, लेकिन माला शुरू कीजिए, जल्दी शुरू कीजिए, ज्यादा डिले मत कीजिए। मुकुल प्रभु। हरे कृष्णा।
कृष्णा प्रभु जी। प्रभु जी बिल्कुल।
हाँ बेटा, हरे कृष्णा।
आप लोग जाओ।
यस मुकुल प्रभु।
नहीं।
माता कहते नहीं, प्रभु कहते चल रही है। आप पहले सुझा लीजिए, मुझे बताइएगा मैं चल दे कि नहीं चल। जो नहीं कर रहे हैं, मेरा सबसे निवेदन है कि प्लीज स्टार्ट चैंटिंग, डोंट डिले इट एनीमोर। Otherwise, you will not get the full benefit of Bhagavad Gita. Okay, understanding Bhagavad Gita will become a challenge. Okay, let's go next. So we were discussing about, क्या डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि what are the offenses against holy name which do not allow us to make progress, and we should avoid these offenses. Okay. पहले दो offenses कौन थे, कौन बताएगा? What was the first offense which we should avoid? Yes, Babulal Prabhuji.
भगवान के भक्तों की बुराई नहीं करनी चाहिए और नहीं सुननी चाहिए।
उससे क्या होता है, कर लिया तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
नहीं, आपका जो पहला अपराध यही है भगवान का।
क्यों बुराई नहीं करनी चाहिए? क्या होता है उससे बुराई करने से? Yes, Mamta Mata, you're saying something. Unmute yourself and speak, Mataji. Can't hear you. Yes.
उससे श्री कृष्ण नाराज हो जाते हैं।
क्यों नाराज हो जाते हैं?
वो क्योंकि वो अपने भक्तों की बुराई नहीं सुन सकते।
हाँ, because they are very dear to Krishna.
Yeah, they are dear to Krishna.
हाँ, very dear to Krishna, so he can't tolerate if somebody talks ill about them. Okay, so we should completely avoid this. यदि आपको दोष दिखे भी तो उसको इग्नोर करना है। गीता में भगवान कहते हैं कि अपि चेतसु दुराचार भजते माम अनन्य भाव। यदि मान लो कोई दृढ़ता से भक्ति में लगा है, कोई दृढ़ता से भक्ति में लगा है और उसमें कोई बहुत बड़ा दोष भी है, फिर भी वो साधु है। फिर कहते हैं अगले श्लोक में, क्षिप्रम भवति धर्मात्मा। क्योंकि वो भक्ति में दृढ़ता से लगा है, कुछ समय में उसका दोष चला जाएगा, तुम उसकी चिंता मत करो। समझे, बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। यदि कोई अच्छे से जप कर रहा है, अच्छे से भक्ति की विधियों का पालन कर रहा है, and if you see some big obnoxious anomaly also in him, ignore for the time being. That will go away gradually because he is chanting regularly, he is following all four basic principles regularly, he is reading shastras. All his, such bad qualities will disappear, in some time. So we have no right to talk about it. Okay, this is Krishna's verdict in Bhagavad Gita. If he is saying he is sadhu, how can we call him asadhu? Okay, ध्यान रखना है। दूसरा ऑफेंस कौन सा था? What was the second offense we talked about? Yes, anyone? Yes, Anil Prabhu. Unmute yourself.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. The second offense was considering the Supreme Lord and demigod on the same level, like Shiva and Brahma.
Okay, very good. देवी देवताओं को भगवान के समान समझना या उनसे स्वतंत्र समझना अपराध। ओके, द सेकंड ऑफेंस। हमको ये नहीं कहना सब बराबर हैं, सब एक जैसे हैं, सब रास्ते एक तरफ जाते हैं, नहीं जाते हैं। वो केवल अज्ञानता के कारण ऐसा बोलते हैं। आउट ऑफ इग्नोरेंस वी मेक सच स्टेटमेंट्स। वी शुड नॉट टॉक लाइक दिस। वी शुड हैव फुल फेथ that Krishna is Supreme Lord and demigods are his servants. They are there to serve him, help him managing the affairs of this universe. Okay. The second offense. And third offense we talk about today, to disobey the orders of spiritual master. अपने गुरु की बात नहीं मानना क्या है? ऑफेंस है. Why? Because your spiritual master is representing Krishna. Is representing Krishna. Spiritual master is a representative of Krishna, especially when your guru is connected to a parampara. He is giving you this knowledge on behalf of parampara, on behalf of Krishna. Okay? So any violation or not complying with the instructions of your spiritual master, your guru, is as bad as ignoring Krishna. Ignoring Krishna's instructions. Why? Because he is representing. मान लो कि अमेरिका का एम्बेसडर भारत में आता है, राजदूत है, वो कुछ बात करता है यहाँ के प्रधानमंत्री को, तो यदि वो इसको इग्नोर करता है तो इसका मतलब उसने अमेरिका के राष्ट्रपति का विरोध किया या उसको इग्नोर किया. Why? Because this ambassador is representing the president of America. So all devotees who are connected to bona fide parampara are giving instructions for your benefit. We should avoid ignoring them. Okay, this is all Krishna's arrangement. This is all Krishna's arrangement, and on behalf of Krishna, on behalf of Guru Parampara, he is giving instructions. For whose benefit? किसके फायदे के लिए? हमारे फायदे के लिए. अभी मैं I've taken few quotations from Srimad Bhagavatam. Can somebody read this? Power of Guru's instruction. अनिल प्रभु जी आप पढ़िए पहले वाला. बाकी सब.
Especially for spiritual advancement, one should carry out the bona fide order of spiritual master. By the parampara system, one can thus be endowed with the original spiritual power coming from the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Evam parampara pratam imam rajas wo vidya.
Yes, evam parampara praptam imam rajrashiyo vidu. ये भगवत गीता से श्लोक. इसमें बताया गया है कि when one follows instruction of a spiritual master religiously, sincerely, he is endowed with lot of spiritual power. पूरी परंपरा का आशीर्वाद उसको मिलता है, कृष्ण का आशीर्वाद उसको मिलता है when one is sincere in following the instruction of his spiritual master. And those instructions are empowered instructions, not ordinary instructions. Are empowered. Even if you try, it'll make you successful. Okay. Very, very important. In any parampara system, this is the most important aspect or the secret to make spiritual progress. What? Follow instructions given very, very religiously, very sincerely. Okay. Dr. Vishwaspur, आप पढ़िए second point. Unmute yourself.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. I am attempting to present Srimad Bhagavatam in the English language by the order of my spiritual master, Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Saraswati Thakur. And by his grace, the work of translation is gradually progressing, and the European and American devotees who have joined the Krishna consciousness movement are helping me considerably. Thus, we have expectations of finishing the great task before my passing away. All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga.
All glories to Guru Gauranga. प्रभुपाद लिख रहे हैं कि ये सब इतना मैं कुछ कर पाया, इतनी बुक्स लिखी, इतने टेम्पल्स खोले पूरे विश्व भर में, इतना प्रचार किया, इतने भक्त बनाए, simply because I tried to follow the instruction of my Guru. Why? Simply on the power of instruction from his spiritual master. His spiritual master gave him 2-3 instructions. One, go and preach to the Western world about Krishna consciousness. Second, write books and distribute books. And on both fronts, Prabhupada did wonders. Why? Those instructions were empowered instructions. Those instructions were backed up by Krishna himself. Okay, so any instruction which is there for our spiritual advancement given by one spiritual master should be the life and soul of the disciple. Okay, which will come in the third point. Third point, Rishita Mataji, aap padhiye. Read the third point.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
If one adheres to the regulative principles under the order of the spiritual master, he very easily achieves the ultimate goal of his life. A person who is addicted to the chanting of the Hare Krishna mantra very easily gets the opportunity to serve the Supreme Personality of Godhead directly.
So if one adheres, one sticks to the regulative principles under the order of spiritual master, he will very easily achieve the ultimate goal of life. Second, one who is addicted. Addicted means just feel like chanting anytime and every time. Of the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, very easily gets the opportunity to serve the Lord directly. Serve the Lord directly. So the secret formula is you should be very careful about instructions coming and then trying to comply with them, try to follow them very sincerely, very religiously, with all your heart. And then success is guaranteed in spiritual life. Success is guaranteed. Okay? And this is what Prabhupada says. Who will read this? Ruchi Mataji, aap padhiye, if you can read. Unmute yourself and then. Welcome, Chitra Mataji.
When a pure devotee or spiritual master speaks, what he says should be accepted as having been directly spoken by the Supreme Personality of Godhead in the Parampara system.
Anyone else? Read it again. Yes, Mamta Mataji, padhiye.
When a pure devotee or spiritual master speaks, what he says should be accepted.
Unmute yourself, Mataji, first. Yes.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji,
Hare
I'm
Krishna.
audible now?
Yes, audible. Please go ahead.
When a pure devotee or a spiritual master speaks, what he says should be accepted as having been directly spoken by the Supreme Personality of Godhead in the Parampara system.
In the Parampara system, if a devotee is connected to a Parampara system and he's giving an instruction, he is giving that instruction on behalf of the whole Parampara and Krishna himself. Okay? So we should take that instruction as if that instruction is coming straight from Krishna. Then we have a choice to follow it or ignore it. But the instruction is coming from the whole Parampara, entire Guru Parampara and Krishna himself. Okay? So anyone who tries to follow, his life is success. Successful guarantee. Okay? So as much as possible, we should be aware of what the instructions are and we should try to follow them. All right, so this is where we stopped in the last class. We discussed about this 22nd number verse. Pansansi jirnani yatha vihai नवानि गृणाति नरो अपरानि तथा शरीरानि विहाय जीवना अन्यानि संयाति नवानि. इसमें कृष्णा इज कंपेयरिंग और गिविंग एन एनालॉजी. इसको आराम से समझने के लिए, सरलता समझने के लिए, कि जिस तरह से हम पुराने कपड़े बदलते हैं वैसे आत्मा शरीर बदलती है. ठीक है. और वो जो नए शरीर है उसको किस आधार पर मिलता है, ऑन व्हाट बेसिस? टू थिंग्स वी मेंशन. वन इज व्हाट काइंड ऑफ डिजायर्स वी हैव इन आवर माइंड. सेकंड, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कर्मास वी हैव. एंड द वेरी प्रोसेस ऑफ डिवोशनल is to purify our desires. हमारी इच्छाओं के शुद्धिकरण के लिए हम जप करते हैं, शास्त्र पढ़ते हैं, भगवान को लगा हुआ प्रसाद ग्रहण करते हैं. इन सब का एक ही उद्देश्य है, क्या? टू प्योरीफाई आवर डिजायर्स और टू रिड्यूस आवर मटेरियल डिजायर्स, हमारी भौतिक इच्छाओं को कम करने के लिए. ठीक है. एंड देन वी डिस्कस कि कैसे, किस आधार पर मिलता है अगला शरीर. ये श्लोक बताता है भगवद गीता का, यदि कोई देवी देवताओं की पूजा करता है, मान लो आप गणेश जी की पूजा करते हैं, दुर्गा मैया की पूजा करते हैं, तो वो व्यक्ति उनके लोक में जाएगा, उनके ग्रह पर जाएगा, उनके प्लेनेट पर जाएगा, जैसे देवलोक, स्वर्ग लोक. लेकिन वो स्वर्ग लोक कहाँ पर है? भौतिक जगत का ही हिस्सा है. तो भौतिक जगत के कलमश से बाहर नहीं निकल पाएगा. पितरन यान्ति पितृव्रता. जो पितरों की पूजा करता है, कुछ लोग हैं जो पितरों की भगवान समझ कर पूछते हैं, वो पितरों के लोग जाते हैं. पितरों के लोग भी भौतिक जगत के अंदर हैं. भूतानि यान्ति भूत प्रेज्या. कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जो भूत प्रेतों की पूजा करते हैं, वो लोग भूत प्रेतों के लोग जाते हैं, वो भी भौतिक जगत के अंदर हैं. लेकिन भगवान कहते हैं यान्ति मत यजिनो याजिनो अपिमाम. लेकिन जो मेरी पूजा करता है वो मेरे साथ आकर मेरे धाम में रहता है, जो भौतिक जगत से परे है, which is beyond this material. तो हमने चर्चा किया, somebody wants to go to moon planet, he has to follow this process, not through mechanical rockets he can go to moon, not possible. Okay, any planet he has to follow the process given in Bhagavad Gita. क्लियर है? अभी अगले 23 से 25 लेट्स सी कितना कर सकते हैं हम लोग. इस श्लोक में अगेन कृष्णा इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द सोल एंड ही इज एक्चुअली रिपीटिंग मेनी ऑफ द स्टफ. व्हाई इज रिपीटिंग? क्योंकि एक बार सुनने से हमको याद नहीं होता है. एंड दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट. कृष्णा इज रिपीटिंग दिस अगेन एंड अगेन through different examples. Okay, so we will read this verse number 23. मैं पढ़ूंगा, थोड़ा पॉज करूंगा, आप पीछे पीछे बोलिएगा. ओके, शिवानी माता जी, आई एम अनम्यूटिंग यू सो आई कैन हियर यू. नैनम छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि
नैनं छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि
नैनम छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि
नैनं छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि
नैनम दहति पावका नैनम दहति पावका
नैनं दहति पावका
न चैनम क्लेदयन्त्यापो
न चैनं विन्यतापो
न चैनम क्लेदयन्त्यापो
न चैनं
न शोचयति मारुता
न शोचति
न शोचयति मारुता.
न शोचति.
ओके, वेरी गुड, थैंक यू. नरेंद्र प्रभु जी, आप प्रयास कीजिए. नैनम छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि
नैनं छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि
नैनम दहति पावका
नैनं दहति पावक
न चैनम क्लेदयन्त्यापो
Na chainam yadyantapo.
Na chainam
Na chainam
klidyantapo.
Keldyantapo.
Klidyantapo na shoshayati maruta.
Na soshati maruta.
हाँ, इसका अर्थ पढ़िए.
The soul can never be cut to pieces by any weapon, nor burned by fire, nor moistened by water, nor withered by the wind.
बहुत अच्छा. एक बार फिर से पढ़िए.
The soul can never be cut to pieces by any weapon, nor burned by fire, nor moistened by water, nor withered by the wind.
इसका पपड़ पढ़िए.
All kinds of weapons, swords, flame weapons, rain weapons, tornado weapons, etc. are unable to kill the spirit's soul. It appears that there were many kinds of weapons made of earth, water, air, ether, etc. in addition to the modern weapon of fire. Even the nuclear weapons of the modern age are classified as fire weapons, but formerly there were other weapons made of all different types of material elements. Fire weapons were counteracted by water weapons, which are not now unknown to modern science, nor to modern scientists have knowledge of tornado weapons. Nonetheless, the soul can never be cut into pieces nor annihilated by any number of weapons, regardless of scientific devices. The Mayavadi cannot explain how the individual soul came into the existence simply by ignorance and consequently became covered by the illusory energy. Nor was it even possible to cut the individual souls from the original supreme soul. Rather, the individual souls are eternally separated parts of the supreme soul because they are atomic individual souls eternally sanatana. They are prone to be covered by the illusory energy, and thus they become separated from the association of the Supreme Lord, just as the sparks of a fire, although one in quality with the fire, are prone to be extinguished when out of the fire. In the verse of Varha Puran, the living entities are described as separated parts and parcels of the Supreme. They are eternally so according to the Bhagavad Gita also. So even after being liberated from illusion, the living entity remains a separate identity, as is evident from the teachings of the Lord to Arjuna. Arjuna become liberated by the knowledge received from Krishna, but he never become one with Krishna.
Okay, very good. So इसमें there are couple of very important points. One is mute कर लीजिए पूरे अपने आप को. नैनम छिंदंती शस्त्राणि. None of the weapons are able to kill the soul. Whether it is fire weapon, or it is water weapon, or tornado weapon, or any type of weapon, cannot even touch the soul. Forget about killing the soul. Okay, that is important. Nainam chindanti shastrani means no weapons can cut the soul. Nainam dahati pavaka means fire cannot burn the soul. Na chainam klidyantapo means water weapons cannot cause any damage to the soul. And then na shoshyati maruta, even air weapons cannot cause any damage to the soul. That is one point. right? So whatever, weapons we see, whether it's sword or, stain gun, they can cause damage to the body, not to the soul. Even nuclear weapons cannot even touch the soul. Okay. See, whole country of Japan was devastated in the World War, isn't it? But none of the soul was even touched. Only bodies were, damaged, not the souls. So whether it's a small weapon, a big weapon, fire weapon, atomic, bomb or nuclear bomb, they cannot cause any damage to our real identity, which is of soul. Remember this. Okay. The second point, Prabhupada is making the purport is, now we say soul is a part and parcel of the Supreme Soul. Okay. So does it mean that one time soul got separated from the Supreme Soul? If it is separated, then this Nanam Chiddanti Shastrani, this is not valid. Okay. So Prabhupada is making a statement that soul is eternally a separated part and parcel of Krishna. It was never one with Krishna. It is an eternal separated entity, but part and parcel of Krishna. समझ आ रहा है आपको? Are you able to follow? Like Krishna says in this shloka, Bhagavad Gita, Mamev ansh jiva loke jiva bhuta sanatana. You are my part and parcel eternally. There was never a time, we were one. Or there will never be a time we will become one. We'll always have individual identity. We had individual identity in past, in present also we have individual identity, and will continue to have individual identity in future also. Always, eternally. Okay. Are you able to follow what I'm saying? If not, please let me know. I'll explain once again. समझ आ रहा है आपको? नहीं आया तो बताइए मेरे को. Rishita Mate, did you understand what I said? Just explain to everyone. Try to explain. I'll help you.
That our soul is part and parcel of Krishna's his soul, and we are not like similar. We are individual identities, and
yes. So there was never a time we were one and we got separated. Okay. Eternally we were separated.
yes.
Eternally, soul is a separated identity from Krishna. Okay? Are you able to follow? So even after liberation, they will remain individual. They will not get merged and mixed into one. They will remain individual. Okay? Like spark is a separated energy of fire. Okay? Spark is a separated energy of fire, though it has same characteristics in terms of light and heat. Okay? A spark has a feature of light, heat, like fire, but it is separated identity of fire. Now, where this spark falls is very important. that will decide whether spark continue to have the same characteristics or it changes characteristics. For example, if the spark falls on a dry grass, it again becomes fire with the same characteristics, isn't it? But the same spark falls on water, it'll forget its characteristics of heat and light. Yes or no? Similarly, we being souls have the same characteristics what Krishna has, but our association decides whether we continue to have those characteristics or we change those characteristics. Like characteristics of soul is Satchit Anand. It is eternal, it is full of knowledge, and it is blissful. Natural characteristics of soul is to be blissful. Okay. But when we can retain these characteristics, when you are in a spiritual environment, then you can maintain these characteristics. But if you get into a material environment, you'll forget. It's like spark got into water and loses its characteristics, original characteristics. Okay, so our association is very important. हम किस संग में रहते हैं वो बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. Like for spark, association is very important. Spark is in the association of dry grass or in the association of water. Will decide whether spark will, continue to have the original characteristics or it loses characteristics. Okay, so we should always remain in the association of devotees to continue to reflect our original characteristics. Very, very important. In a spiritual environment. Okay. Otherwise, we'll develop material qualities. We'll forget our spiritual qualities. Okay. Like in this verse, Krishna is saying in third line, what? Mamevo ancha jivaloke jivbhuta sanatana manha shasthani indriyani prakriti sthani karshati. Because this soul has come in touch with the material nature, it is struggling. Why it is struggling? It has forgotten its original characteristics. It has forgotten its original characteristics of being, Satchit Anand, eternal, blissful, and full of knowledge. And the root cause of suffering is this body. Manha Shashta, our mind and our senses are the root causes of our sufferings. Okay. Anita Mehta ji, are you able to follow? Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhuji, I'm following.
Can you please repeat once again what I said?
You mean about the soul?
Yes, whatever we discussed just now.
Okay, I didn't follow from the start, so I'll just pick up where I left from.
Yeah.
Basically, the soul, we are part and parcel of Krishna, and due to this bodily condition, we are suffering due to Maya.
Yeah. Yes, and how do we get back our original characteristics, original feature?
The only way is for us to get connected again through Krishna, through chanting, and through Krishna consciousness.
Very good. How can we get reconnected? By following processes which help us connect back with Krishna. Okay. Thank you, Anita Mataji. By following process which help us connect back to Krishna. Okay. Then we regain our original characteristics of what? Eternal, full of knowledge, and blissful. Okay. Clear so far? Can we move ahead? Just shake your head to give me confidence. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Then next verse. अच्छेदयोयम अधायुयम अक्लेद्यो शोष्य एवचा नित्य सर्वगता स्थानुर achaloyam sanatana. This individual soul is unbreakable and insoluble and can be neither burned nor dried. He is everlasting, present everywhere, unchangeable, immovable, and eternally the same. Okay, so many characteristics Krishna is explaining in this verse. Now, tell me, Krishna explained in the previous verse that soul cannot be burnt, soul cannot be drowned, soul cannot be dried with air. And here again Krishna is repeating, is unbreakable, insoluble, can be neither burnt nor dried. Why is Krishna doing it? Is there any difference between what he said earlier and what he's saying now? Yes, Mamta Mati, what is the difference? Unmute yourself first.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
In the previous shloka, he was trying to tell that how, if you are thinking that your body is destroyed, don't think that your soul is destroyed.
Yeah.
In this previous one. And in this, he is trying to tell that even the solubility of the, it is insoluble, neither burned nor dried. And it is everlasting and it is present everywhere. It is omnipresent. He is trying to tell that.
Actually, the first three things are same, but Krishna is talking about here exceptional circumstances. Even exceptionally, through special ways also you cannot kill. For example, I give an example. Achedyo. Achedyo means cannot be, is unbreakable. This is a story from Bhagavatam. There was a demon called as Vritrasur. Who? Vritrasur. He had a a fight with Indra and his associates. Indra means king of heaven. Okay. He tried all the weapons. Indra tried all the weapons, but he was not able to kill Vritrasura. He tried all variety of weapons. Then they all went to Vishnu, and Vishnu guided them. You go to Dadichi Muni, a saint with the name Dadichi, and you ask him for his bones. Then you make a weapon out of his bones, and then you kill Vritrasura. You should be able to kill. Krishna is saying, Achedyo, even those kind of weapons also which are special in nature, even they cannot kill soul. So Krishna is ruling out all possibilities of causing any harm to the soul. Okay? Unbreakable, even through very special means. You cannot touch, you cannot cause any damage to the soul. Okay? Then he says, Adhaya. Even through special means you cannot burn. Can you remember this scene? The scene is from, Pandavas running away from Lakshagra. Yeah.
Yes.
There was some inflammable, some element mixed with eat patthar, and quickly the entire house got into fire. Krishna is saying even those kind of special means cannot burn the soul. Aklidya, like water cannot cause any harm, but if you use acid, it can cause a harm. Okay, but saying even such means cannot cause any harm to the soul. Okay, so he's ruling out all possible. Ashoshaya. When destruction happens of this universe, please mute yourself. Somebody is unmuted. Yes, thank you. So during the pralay, when destruction happens of this universe, for 100 years there is no rain, and temperature of the sun goes 12 times higher, which means around 500 degrees centigrade.
with no rain for hundreds of years. Even that kind of condition cannot cause any harm to the soul. So that is you, what you are. Chitra Mataji, this is your identity. No one can cause any harm to you. No one can cause any harm to us. Normal weapons, extraordinary weapons, they cannot cause any harm to the individual soul. That is because it is like Krishna. It is like same characteristics of being eternal, like Krishna is eternal. But the problem is difference between, eternal soul and Krishna is what? Yeah, there's a nice verse. Read this. Nityo nityanam chetanas chetananam eko yo bahunam vidadhati kama. That is the difference between God and ourselves. We are also persons, God is also a person. Nityo nityanam chetanas chetanam. He is also living entity, we are also living entity. So what is the difference between God and us? That ekaha, that one living entity, nitya, singular number. So bahuna with the yanake, that one living entity of Supreme Soul is taking care of or fulfilling the needs of the plural, all other living entities. So one is God and others are simply souls being served by the Super Soul or being taken care of by the Supreme Soul. Okay. We are like a drop, he is like an ocean. That's the difference. While the qualities of drop and water and ocean are same, but quantitatively both are very different. So while we have the same characteristics of what Krishna has, like a soul, but in terms of qualitatively, we are very different. Okay. We are very, very different. Is it clear? Okay, can someone read the purport of this verse, Achedeo? If we have left any point, we can discuss.
I'll read, Prabhuji.
Okay, read it.
All these qualifications of the atomic soul definitely prove that the individual soul is eternally the atomic particle of the spirit whole, and he remains the same atom eternally, without change. The theory of monism is very difficult to apply in this case because individual soul is never expected to become one homogeneously. After liberation from the material contamination, the atomic soul may prefer to remain as a spiritual spark in the engulfed rays of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. But the intelligent souls enter into the spiritual planet to associate with the personality of Godhead. The word Sarvagatha, all pervading, is significant because there is no doubt that living entities are all over God's creation. They live on the land, in water, in the air, within the earth, and even within fire.
So it
The
means
belief that
there are living entities even on the sun planet, even on the moon planet. Sarvagataha, everywhere, even in the stone you find living entities.
okay. The belief
Yes.
that they are sterilized in fire is not acceptable because it is clearly stated here that the soul cannot be burned by fire. Therefore, there is no doubt that there are living entities also in the sun planet with suitable bodies to live there. If the sun globe is uninhabited, then the word Sarvagata, living everywhere, becomes meaningless.
Okay. Thank you. So any question, any doubt so far on what we discussed today?
doubt?
So, Prabhuji, one doubt is there.
Yes.
Even the spark of the fire, like Prabhupada ji has put up an analogy of fire and the spark of the fire. But the spark of the fire is born out of the fire. No?
Yeah.
We are also similarly born out of him.
No, Krishna is, but Prabhupada is using spark example to make a point of separated energy.
Yeah, we become separated, but we are a part of his energy, no? Still.
We are part of his energy, but separated energy.
Yeah, separated energy.
Yes, yes.
Means we are born out of him, no?
Yes. We expanded out of him. We expanded out of him, but eternally separated. That is important. Eternally separated. Okay. Krishna Prabhu, could you follow what we discussed? Okay. Good. Mayank Prabhu, Kamal Prabhu. समझ आया प्रभु जी सब? Okay. ठीक है. If there is no question, then we can close. Okay. Just couple of announcements. Janmashtami is coming on 12th of August. Okay. So there are some, discourses planned. There are discourses planned every day, right from starting from today. I had sent one poster also in the group, if you have seen. I'll send it again. So if possible, try to make yourself available, hear those lectures, so that, we remain Krishna conscious at least for next 10-12 days till Janmashtami day. Okay. So they'll be talking about different pastimes of Krishna, how Krishna took birth, his birth pastime, his other pastimes. And very senior devotees will be taking these lectures. Okay. So today is 5:30, so every day 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock like that. If possible, try to attend these lectures and get full benefit. Yes, Sunil Prabhuji, you have some question? Yes.
Prabhuji, I was doing homework yesterday.
Okay, very good.
So verse number 13, I got stuck in this comparison, not comparison, but example of that sky is reflected in water. The reflections represent both sun and the moon and the stars also. So this I did not understand at all actually.
Okay, so what we'll do is, if everybody can attempt writing these questions, and it will be revision also, and next class we can discuss all these answers. Okay. Will that be okay?
Yes, yes.
So if everybody can finish this homework like a good student, and then we can discuss all these answers in the next.
But I did not understand even iota of this.
कोई बात नहीं, we'll discuss in next class. Don't worry. I'm happy you attempted to answer this question. आप किस के पास लड्डू गोपाल जी हैं आपके पास? Okay, so we have a Jhulan Yatra program today and tomorrow. Tomorrow is Balram Jayanti, wherein आप ठाकुर जी को बिठाते हैं एक झूले में और झूला देते हैं. तो ये 4 दिन झूलन यात्रा का फेस्टिवल रहता है. स्टार्टेड yesterday, day for yesterday. ठीक है, and anyone who is participating, so we'll show their Thakur ji also on Zoom to everybody. झूला देते हुए. If you'd like to participate, then let me know so that I can include your name. आपको झूला बनाना पड़ेगा, यदि नहीं है तो आपको you can make a simple झूला and make your Thakur ji.
YouTube पे देख के बनाया.
हाँ, बहुत अच्छी बात. So I'll take your name. You like to participate? Okay. Anyone else?
रक्षित ने और मैंने देख के बनाया.
Very nice. राधिका माता जी, आपके ठाकुर जी नहीं है क्या? हाँ जी. तो आप बनाएंगे झूला उनके लिए? अदरवाइज इतना बड़ा आर्किटेक्ट बनने का फायदा क्या है, अपने ठाकुर झूला नहीं बना पाए तो. है कि नहीं? Yes or no, Prabhuji? Okay, so Radhika Mataji, Mamta Mataji. Anyone else would like to participate? Who else said? Rishta Mata, you also have Thakurji, na? You have to unmute yourself.
Ji Prabhuji.
Would like to participate?
Yes, I can try.
Right? They'll be happy even with trial.
Ji Prabhuji.
Okay. So I'll contact you separately in terms of what we need to do. Okay. If anyone else is interested, let me know. Okay. Hare Krishna. Shri Prabhupada ki jai.